Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is June bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Taurus, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Taurus, under the deck, the moon with Hierophant and Page of Swords. They are spying on you, social media, or you may be spying on them. Children's also involved in this connection. I think there are some issues going between you and your person right now regarding commitment, regarding marriage. For some families, could be issue. For some third party involved in this connection. But there are a lot of illusions, lot of arguments between you and your person. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Pisces, Cancer. So recent past, Ace of Swords, Five of Wands and the Chariot. I think there was some communication, but the communication is about arguments, fighting, and the relationship is in a very slow moving energy. Taurus. Then present Three of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles and the World. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. I think you are holding back. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. I think there is no equal give and take. There is no partnership between you and your person. You only the person always taking care of this relationship. They always in and out of your life. When they want, they will come. When they want, they will go. That type of energy I am getting here. That's why you are fed up with this energy. You are holding back. Then future Queen of Swords, the Fool and Wheel of Fortune. Then you are taking your control back. You are taking your power back. So you want to give clarity. So you want marriage, you want commitment, that's all. And you are going with the flow, living in the present moment because the Fool energy and things will turn into your favor. Taurus, Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely in future, things will turn into your favor. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Especially Cancer and Pisces. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Four of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles and Seven of Cups under the deck. So they're confused right now. Your person is confused. Maybe they have options. And they're thinking about you a lot. For some, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Six of Cups. But they're not expressing their feelings. Yes. So let's see. Their current feelings and intentions. Taurus. Ten of Wands with Temperance. Right now your person taking their time. They're patiently waiting for something. And Ten of Wands. Maybe their emotions are running high. For some, your person is busy with their work right now, feeling overburdened. Yes. So they're obsessed with you, the devil. For some, this person may be toxic for you, very dominant in energy. And Four of Swords. Right now, they're thinking about you a lot and suffering in silence. They're healing. They're doing meditation to heal themselves. And they're missing you so much. Right now, they're missing you. And they're patiently waiting, but they're heavily obsessed with you. So let's see their intentions. Seven of Wands, Tower with Justice. Yeah, they won't give up on you. They are obsessed with you because they don't give up on you. Yeah, right now they're going through a tower moment. For some, if you are in separation with this person, maybe there are some issues going between you and your person, but they won't give up on you and they want second chances with you. For some, they are realizing you both now. Yeah, they're thinking about marriage with you. Yeah, for some, they are at some crossroads, they're confused, but they are going to be choose you, and they started listening to their intuition. In near future, they will listen to their intuition, trusting their intuition. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra or Capricorn. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they want new beginnings with you and often, yes, they are thinking about commitment, marriage. They want to offer long-term commitment, but there are some issues again. There are some red flags here. Maybe family could be the issue, friends, maybe for some third party. Definitely there are some issues, but they are thinking about new beginnings. They want to offer new beginnings. I think you are also feeling missed opportunity. You are also feeling alone, and you are thinking about to make decision. Judgment is here, and Five of Cups. Yes, you are feeling sad without this person right now, even though you are guarded, but thinking about them a lot. For some, children's also involved in this connection, and the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. For some, maybe one person or you both going through some legal issues right now. Let's see mutual. Wow. Wow. I think, see, you both missing each other. For some, it was one type of ending between you and your person. In past, maybe you were separated, but again, for some new beginnings, new communication, and Ace of Cups, you both love each other a lot. Still, you both have strong emotions towards each other. Death is also new beginning in some cases. So it was ended between both of you. Maybe especially you think it was ended, but it is not. There is again communication is coming, and Ace of Cups. Yeah. New beginnings. Yeah, communication is coming. You both missing each other a lot and new beginnings. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Taurus. I am not feel good enough for you. I have too much going on my life. Finances and career. Third party involved. I'm serious about you. Yeah, for some third party could be family, friends, other men and other women, and age difference. So I am not feel good enough for you. I have too much going on my life. Finances and career. I'm serious about you. Third party involved. Age difference. For some, you both have age differences between you and your person. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So yes, show your real emotions to your person especially. Don't hide your emotions. Aquarius energy, especially when full moon in Aquarius. So let's see another message. Second message, surrender to the divine full moon. So if you are not getting any answers for your problems, just surrender your problems to the divine. Yes. A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra, Libra energy under the deck. Things will turn out into your favor, Taurus. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.